You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are making this delicious, crunchy, sweet potato chips. This is one easy chips that you can make, and you can also turn it to a business. You can see how crunchy it is. Without much ado, let's get started. Now, I've already peeled and washed my sweet potatoes, and I'm going to cut it into medium sizes for easily slicing, so it will be easy for me to use the slicing tool and slice all. So I'm going to cut it into pieces, sizable ones, and after that we are going to start crushing. Please don't forget to like this video because it takes a lot of effort to create content. Just encourage me by clicking the like button. It's free of charge. Now this is the tool I'm going to use. You can use a bigger one. You know, there are bigger ones. I just bought this one for this purpose, and it's doing the job very well. This is amazing. It is giving me those thin slices, and it's enjoyable, you know, the way it sound. Here we go, we are almost done, and you can see very nice slices. So I'm going to sprinkle a little quantity of salt so as to boost the taste of the sweet potato. Is going to be super delicious and crunchy. You can see also that it's very dry. You know, I don't need water so that it will not pop anyhow, and also for easy frying. And so I'm going to mix it so that the salt will be evenly distributed, and that way is to give every piece will have a beautiful delicious taste. And I'm going to pour in my vegetable oil and heat it to the temperature I want. Now this piece, I drop this piece to check if the oil is hot enough, and then I started dropping one by one, you know, so that it will fry. And at the point my gas almost exploded. I tell you, this is the risk we take in creating content. So please drop a like, drop a comment. Where are you watching from? Do you like my videos? Do you like my content? You can turn this to be a business. I actually bought this potato for just 1,000 naira, and the quantity is amazing, I tell you. Now you can see that most of the chips are already brown, and you have to transfer it quickly, remove it from the fire. You can see how beautiful it looks, and this is what we have prepared. Super crunchy, super delicious, and I tell you, so easy. I hope you will try it at home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to drop a like. See you in our next video. Please subscribe, like this video. Thank you and bye.